Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be making some curry goat, and in this bowl I have 3 pounds of goat meat which has been washed and trimmed and thoroughly cleaned. And here are the ingredients for my curry goat. I have some pimento berry, I have 3 yellow onion, some scotch bonnet pepper, I have 6 cloves of garlic, some green onions, and some thyme. And over here I have some Montego Bay hot curry, Old Bay seasoning, and some Easy Spice. So here I'm adding a tablespoon of curry to the goat. Now I'm going to add a tablespoon of Easy Spice seasoning. And now I'm adding all my green seasoning. It's a lot of green seasoning, but it does make your meat taste better. It's my garlic, my green onion, my yellow onion, and my scotch bonnet pepper and thyme. Smells. Oh my goodness. Smells so good. Now we want to cover this and set it aside and have it relax for about a half an hour. You can also do this overnight if you wish. Adding about 3 tablespoons of curry to 1 teaspoon of oil. You allow the curry to burn for a minute before you add the meat. Now I'm adding the goat to the pot. And now I'm going to cover the pot and allow it to cook. And now we're going to stir the pot. You're going to cover and allow it to continue cooking. I want to eat some already. It's so nice. Look at it, so beautiful. It's smelling so good. Now I'm adding some boiling water to the pot. I'm going to stir it. It smells so good. Oh my God. Texture test. It's so hard. It is hard. It's only been cooking 40 minutes. Long way to go. I'm just going to be adding some more boiling water. I'm going to stir it up, stir it up, stir it up. It's spicy. Gonna cover. Let's continue to cook. Adding some butter to the pot, and that's optional. You check the texture. See my meat. this cook. Okay guys, I'm gonna have it simmer 5 more minutes and it should be ready. And the actual cooking time is 1 hour and 20 minutes for my goat meat. And here's the finished product, my curry goat. Nice and tasty. And here's the finished product, my curry goat, served with some white rice, white basmati rice, and some salad. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.